Alright, now here we go. I don't see how you living, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that. God loves you.
Yeah, he does. He really fucking does, dude. I really thought he was gone.
Dude, when I heard that, I live in that.
Dude, all I could think about
I
was
see
that
that yellow
damn
light
boy.
up there. I live in that first yellow light right there.
Yeah. All I could think about was that boy on top of that roof when I didn't see him in that passenger seat.
God damn, bro. When I heard that shit, it blew my mind, dude. No problem, man.
I don't know what it is about that curve, man.
That curve is kicking people's ass.
Yeah, it's not even that bad. I mean, he was on ass, though.
He was rolling because when he hit
going
that,
about 80.
when he hit that goddamn tree, look where he landed.
Dude, he's if he would have had a seatbelt on, he'd be dead right now.
Yeah, you.
He's lucky. I will say this is one time he's lucky he didn't have his fucking seatbelt on.
When I heard that damn car hit that tree,
Feel bad for him, but then again, I don't, because that could be somebody else who did that on.
well, I knew it when he hit the tree.